Today I'm gonna be unboxing this new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. When this MacBook Air released, it created a new milestone for Apple in the right direction with the new M1 chip that changed everything forever. I chose this laptop because it is powerful, slick, and affordable. Stay until the end to show you a few tips and tricks about this MacBook. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The box is pretty simple. Then we're gonna remove all the plastic out of the box. I mean, there are different ways that you can remove this. It's very simple, and this is just garbage that we just have here. And then we're gonna hold the top on the side here. We're gonna hold it here. And the reveal. This is so beautiful. We're gonna put it to the side for now. And then inside of the box we have the Type-C cable. Put it back here. Then we have the manual. Pretty standard for Apple. That's if you want to learn the very intricate, or if you're kind of lost, you can actually use the manual. Put it on the side. And then we have the Type-C charger. So for now, we're gonna put it here. And close the box and put it to the side. So as you can see, this is the MacBook Air. Very, very slick design. We're gonna remove the back cover. And this is the reveal. Thin laptop, very lightweight, and it only weighs below than 3 pounds. We're gonna open the MacBook. Just hear that. I love the sound on Apple. So on the side corner here, we're gonna remove this little paper. And then just look at that. Hello there, beautiful. For now, we have the keyboard here, which is very, very slick. It's a backlit keyboard. And then we have two Type-C. One if you want to charge. One of them is to charge the laptop itself. The other one is if you want to use any other peripherals here. The side here, you have the audio jack. So let's go through the setup. First, we're gonna choose the language, and we're gonna choose United States, and then we're gonna choose the Wi-Fi. Data privacy, hit continue. Right now, we don't have anything to transfer from another MacBook or a Windows computer, so we're gonna just click on that now. And then for the Apple ID, we're gonna set it up later. You can always just put your email or just create a new one in there. We're gonna click on setup later, skip, agree, and then we're gonna set up our name, Victor. And then let's just put a animal here. I don't know, I love octopus, my favorite food. Enable location services on this Mac. Technically, that's going to allow apps such as maps or any other app that you're going to be using on the internet to locate yourself. So let's say if you're looking for a restaurant nearby, automatically the MacBook is going to tell that website your location, and you can find stuff around you. Analytics, it's up to you if you want to share your analytics, especially when an app crashes and how you're using your MacBook. That way the Apple team can create new things, new apps, new features for the new upcoming Macs. So we're gonna just click on share. Screen time. So this setting's gonna be up to you. Technically, you can set a daily limit on the MacBook and how you're gonna be using, especially if you have kids. I'm gonna click on continue. Enable Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
We're gonna go with this.
You can change it later in system preferences.
Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, play some music. Hear audio recordings. The Touch ID. So then we're gonna place our finger here. We're gonna do a few times. We're gonna choose the dark mode, and that's because I work on a very bright place. And there you go, that's the setup for the MacBook. So now let me show you some tips and tricks about this MacBook. Every time you get a new MacBook, what I recommend is to apply the updates. So we're gonna go on the corner here, and we're gonna click on about this Mac, and we're gonna click on software update. Right now, there is a new update called macOS Ventura 13.2.1. I'm gonna click on upgrade now, agree, and then we're gonna put our password. So that might take, depending on your internet, a few hours, probably an hour or so, and then it's gonna probably take another 20 to 30 minutes actually installing. The other tip that I have, preferences, go back here, and we're gonna type battery. Or simply we can just click on the battery here. And then here we can adjust how we want our battery to last. If you want to turn off the display after not using the computer, you can adjust it depending on how you want it. So most of the time I'm gonna put it under a minute, because if you are a minute away from your computer and you're not looking at it, you can make the battery last longer. Let's say if you are on the streets, you can enable optimize video streaming while on battery. You can also click on low power mode. The other tip that I'm gonna show you is how we can customize the dock here. We're gonna go into system preferences, then we're gonna click on dock in menu bar. So here we have so many ways where we can actually customize how we want this, right? So we can click on minimize window into application icon, automatically hide the dock and show the dock. So technically that way we have more screen here. We can do the same thing for the menu bar, but we can simply just put the mouse on top and then it's gonna show everything on the top on the menu bar. So let's say if we close all the apps and we want to keep Chrome all the time here, because these are our recent applications, we can just open it, click Control, and then under options we're gonna click keep in dock. Now that we have it in there, as you can see, it's on the side here, meaning that these are our static or the apps that we are gonna have permanent on the dock. If you want to remove it, you can do the same thing. Hold Control, options, and then uncheck the bots. This MacBook is really fast when it comes out for browsing the internet, editing videos, editing photos, and anything else that you can throw at it. And well, that's the video for today. If you want to keep watching more videos like this of unboxing, tech reviews, and learn more about tech, just subscribe. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more, so see you in the next video. Bye.